Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PowerPoint mobile app and loading the slide you need. Tap the slide and then the text box so the keyboard appears. This puts you in edit mode. Next, select the specific text you want to enlarge or choose select all if you want the whole text box changed. Once done, look for the floating format toolbar above the keyboard or at the top. This is where font size controls appear and where you'll continue the process. Now adjust the font size. Tap the plus or the font size number in the toolbar to increase in preset steps, or tap the number to type an exact size. You can preview changes live on the slide, which helps you balance readability and layout. Make sure to avoid pinch to zoom. That only magnifies the view, not the font. If text shifts, use the box handles to resize the text box so the larger font fits without altering slide composition. Finish by tapping outside the text box to apply changes and scanning the slide for layout issues. If enlarged text overflows, enable Fit Text or reduce text box margins so content wraps properly. That keeps your design intact. Make sure to save your presentation. If the font size control is unresponsive or the app behaves oddly, close and reopen the app, or save as a new file before retrying. This often
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.